Homeboy, this one is called Jack and Coke Gelati. You see the Jack? We got the Coke, and this one's actually named Jack. Hey, how come there's none named Sky, okay? S-K-Y-Y. Spell it right, though. We could just go down the list. Just pouring.
List.
Sorry, just go down the line. Okay, I need to work on my English. Relax, man. I have no idea why I just did that. Okay, I'll just put this in the freezer now. Okay, homeboy, we back from the fridge.
Freezer.
Woo, freezer, okay? Fridge, freezer, okay? Depending on
how cold you want it.
Okay, so let's take these ice cubes and let's get these in this blender. Because I'm really curious to see this drink. Come on, come on. Don't embarrass me, get in there. Get in my belly, get in my belly. Now guys, these ice cubes, right? They say add a little. Who sent us this recipe?
Kyle, Brabel. You need to add the Jack Daniels.
Oh Lord have mercy. 3 ounces is a lot, Kyle. Okay? That's a lot. That might actually be too much, but whatever Kyle says, I do. Kyle is my leader. My leader is Kyle. Probably more than 3 ounces, but she's going with half the bottle, but whatever. You got me feeling alright. So now, I got my ice cream, right? Now watch this. Oh Lord, this ice cream's soft. You got a soft ice cream. This ain't hard. Fine. Now he said Italian ice consistency, right guys? But Italian ice consistency kind of thickish. Probably thicker than this, but I wouldn't be able to pour it properly.
It looks like gravy and mashed potatoes.
Hey, 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 don't distract the audience with these weird, okay, mind tricks. Now all they seen is gravy. Okay, now I come over the top with my ice cream. Oh, look at that. Like a spoon to the side or something. I don't know. How's that look? A little spoon to the side, Kyle. How's that look? Huh? And there you have it. What did he call it?
Jack and Coke Gelati.
Jack and Coke Gelati. You guys send us the coolest recipes. Go to tipsybartender.com and submit your recipes because we do make them, okay? We get a lot, so don't worry if you don't see yours. Okay, if you sure it's good, then I think it's good. As always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Kyle, good looking out. Later.